What's up, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery drain test on Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. It comes with 4000 mAh battery. So right now the device is connected to the charger. It's at 100%, and the scenario is that the device is in airplane mode. It is connected to Wi-Fi and the brightness is full. So let's start our test now and let's see how good this device is going to perform. So we are going to perform few tasks one after one, and after that we will see how much battery is going to be consumed after each test and overall as well. So first of all, let's start with the gaming test. In this we are going to play a high-end heavy graphics game for an hour on highest possible graphics setting, and then we will see after an hour how much battery is going to be consumed. So let's start our gaming test now. So the volume is full and the graphics quality is selected as highest. So the volume is full, as you can see, and the highest possible graphics quality is selected for this gaming test. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery percentage. So it's 82% right now. If you go to the battery settings, you can see it better. So it's 82% after playing a Sport Extreme for an hour on high graphics setting and on the full brightness. So now let's go back and now let's do the YouTube playback. We are going to play some videos for an hour on Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, and then we will see how much battery is going to be consumed. So let's start with YouTube. So it's an hour of YouTube video playback. Now let's have a look on the battery percentage. And it's 67%. 15% battery reduced from 82 to 67% after playing the YouTube videos for an hour. So now let's do the native video playback testing. So we are going to play a 1080p Full HD video for an hour on our Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery percentage. So it's 54% now after an hour of 1080p Full HD video playback on the native video player. So it moved from 67 to 54%. And now let's do the web browsing test. In this web browsing test, the homepage of seanheather.com will keep refreshing after 30 seconds by itself, and after an hour we will have a look at how much battery is consumed, is reduced after this web browsing test. So here we go. So it's an hour of web browsing. Now let's have a look on the battery percentage. Battery is at 42% right now. After 4 hours of continuous usage of this device, battery percentage moved from 100 to 42%. And now let's do the 4K video recording test. In this, we are going to record a 4K resolution video from the native camera application of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus for 8 minutes, because the device limitation for 4K video recording is 8 minutes. So let's start our test, and after that we will see that. So the video recording is finished now. Here is the video that we have just recorded. It's a 4K video. If you have a look on the file size, it's a huge 2.53 GB file. And now let's have a look on the battery status. So battery percentage moved from 42 to 37%. So after recording a 4K video for 8 minutes, the battery reduced 5%. Now if you go to the battery use and then to this gear icon here, you will see the battery consumption, that the battery is used for 4 hours 20 minutes. This is what exactly we did. We did 4 hours of test and 8 minutes of the recording and nearly 12 minutes in performing all of this test. So still after that the battery is at 37%, so you can get the idea that you will get at least 6 and 6.5 hours of battery life on Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. So you can be sure that the battery performance of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is quite good. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.